Hello, I'm Dr. Payal Kumar. I'm Professor and Chair HROB at BML Munjal University. I was earlier a Vice President in a MNC organization looking after editorial and production. So because of my rich corporate experience, I'm able to bring real life examples into the classroom. Apart from HR and OB subjects and leadership topics, I also teach many interesting electives, for example, employer branding, negotiation and grievance redressal. And the types of pedagogy we use are very varied, so it's not just lectures, it's not just case studies, but I'm even using gamification in the class where children, they learn by playing videos, they have certain learning objectives. And a lot of the times I send my students out to the corporates to do live projects which are then marked perhaps instead of an end-term exam, and that brings a lot of richness into their experience. So we welcome you to our campus, we welcome you with open arms, and we look forward to teaching you and training you, and as I said, I hope you hit the ground running once you reach the workplace.